Good morning, everyone. My name is Sukriti Singh. I study in class second. Today, I will tell you a story of Arjun's concentration. Long ago, there lived a prince named Arjun. He was one of the Pandavas. Famous for his skill in archery. He had a special quality that made him stand out his concentration. One day his teacher, Dronacharya, decided to test his students. He called all the princes to the garden and showed them a wooden bird perched on a tree and said, "You must aim at the bird's eye. But first, tell me what you see." The first prince stepped forwards and drew bow in his hand. "I see the tree, the bird, the sky, and the leaves," he said. Dronacharya shook his head, stepped back. Each prince gave similar answers. Some saw a tree, the garden, or even the clouds. Dronacharya was not pleased. Then it was Arjun's turn. Bow in his hand, his eye fixed on the bird. "Arjun, what can you see?" Arjun replied, "I can see only the bird's eye." Dronacharya asked, "Can you see the tree, the garden, or the sky?" Arjun replied, "No, I can only see the bird's eye." Arjun said confidently. Dronacharya smiled and said, "Shoot your arrow." Arjun released his arrow and it struck to the bird's eye perfectly. The lesson was clear. Arjun's focus was so sharp that he can block out everything except his target. So the moral of the story is, when we focus on one thing, we can achieve great success just like Arjun. Thank you. Have a nice day.